Today is a troubleshooting hair day. It's a hair play day, if you will. Play date? Day. About to start the new heat press. So just alternate it and crisscross. You shouldn't see any opening of that tissue, of the parchment paper at all.
Okay. Yeah.
Remember, you got to interlock it. You got to increase that web. There's no mistakes, just happy accidents. Happy accidents. Thank you, Bob Ross. Close her on out.
Okay.
What do you do next?
And then I smooth over with my hands.
And I usually start in the center and slide out. You can do it any way you want. Or back and forth. And you can start to see how the wetness shows up on the parchment paper. And, okay. Wish me luck. Whoa. 18, 17. I know I felt like flashback of the army. Let's just go top this up. Now, interesting because you can still see the wetness here. Mm-hmm. And so,
hit with iron.
So, no, I'm just going to pop it. Yeah, why not? I got a heat press. Beep, Mary. Thank you. The handle is key to lift this up. Let's hit this again. Let's show this we mean business. I feel that has helped the ozone a great deal. I now need to just measure these dimensions so we can just do one and not have to move it around. She's feeling crunchy. Love it. 11, 10. I'm just saying. All right, this is winner chicken dinner right here.
Okay.
So remember we gotta cool it down. So you could easily do a transfer like this as well. You could either cut out a design from this and use it for anything creative, floret.